Good afternoon, Grandview Hotel. This is Sarah speaking. How may I help you today?
Hello, good afternoon. I'd like to book a room for next weekend, please.
Of course. May I have the exact dates of your stay?
Yes, I'll be arriving on Friday the 15th and checking out on Sunday the 17th.
Thank you. That's 2 nights. How many guests will be staying?
Just 2 adults.
Great. We have both standard and deluxe rooms available. Would you prefer a standard double room or a deluxe double room with a view of the city?
What's the difference in price?
The standard double is $120 per night, including breakfast. The deluxe room is $170 per night, and it includes breakfast plus access to our rooftop lounge.
I see. Could you also tell me if Wi-Fi is included?
Yes, free high-speed Wi-Fi is available in all rooms.
That's good. Do you also have parking facilities?
Yes, we do. We offer free parking for our guests.
Excellent. In that case, I'll take the deluxe room, please.
Wonderful choice. May I have your full name for the booking?
Sure. It's Michael Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Could I also have a contact phone number or an email address to confirm your reservation?
Yes, my phone number is 0456 789 321, and my email is michael.brown@email.com.
Got it. And how would you like to pay? We accept credit card details now, or you can pay at check-in.
I'll pay at check-in.
Not a problem. Your deluxe double room is booked for the 15th to the 17th of this month. Check-in is from 2 p.m. and check-out is by 11 a.m. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Could you also let me know if late checkout is possible?
Yes, if available, we can extend checkout to 1 p.m. for an additional $30.
That sounds fine. I might request that when I check in.
Certainly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Brown. We look forward to welcoming you next weekend. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.